3, 2, 1, 0, and liftoff. Liftoff. Americans return to space as Discovery clears the tower.
Discovery, go at throttle up.
Hi everyone, Ludwig here. First up is the AMI Park. It's also part of the Olympic Park area. Next on the Precinct is Olympic Park, the Oval. On the right of AMI Park we have Koch's Paddock. Once again, this is Olympic Park, the Oval. This is the Melbourne Arena, or also known as the Hisense Arena. It all depends who's sponsoring. This building is known as the Holden Centre. It's also the home of the Collingwood Football Club. It also used to be called the Glass House, and it was where the Olympics was held for the swimming and diving events in 1956. This is the Laver Arena and the home of the Australian Tennis Open. This is show court number 3. And this is the Margaret Court Arena coming into quick view. Under construction, our new 5,000 seat show court arena, expected to be finished by the end of 2020 this year. This is the National Tennis Centre, the administrative side, car park, and you'll see also an opportunity where people can publicly hire the tennis courts in blue. The AAMI Park, or Olympic Park, is also the home of the Sports Medicine Centre. Another quick view of Kosh's paddocks. We have the Melbourne CBD in the distance, and basically from Flinders Street Station, it shouldn't take you more than 30 minutes to get to the sporting precinct, and 30 minutes is, quite easy and achievable for anyone of any fitness level. There is also a tram that will take you from the corner of Flinders Street and Swanson Street, which is also at the Flinders Street Station. It'll take you directly behind and stop at the Australian Tennis Centre and at the Laver Arena. In the parkland, we had the Sydney My Music Bowl. It's where we had our outdoor concerts, and at the end of the year we have our Carol by Candlelights. Famous Melbourne cricket ground known as the MCG and locally as the G, also home to the Melbourne Football Club. with a quick view of the Punt Road Oval, also known as the home of the Richmond Football Club. To see us out with this video, I just want to let people know that Melbourne is also known as the sporting capital of Australia.
Wheel stop.
Roger, wheel stop, Discovery. Welcome back. A great ending to the new beginning.